full of scars, searching for love in a sky without stars. He gave too much and was left all alone, carrying dreams of a love he'd never known. The nights were cold and the days felt so long, but he kept believing he'd someday belong. Through every tear he whispered a prayer, for someone to find him, for someone to care. Oh yeah, yeah. He was a boy who wandered so far, chasing the light of a distant star. Through the pain he kept holding on, and now he's found where he belongs. In her arms he's no longer alone, the boy who finally found home. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah. He gave his love to those who couldn't stay, but every goodbye just paved the way. Each broken piece became a new start, building a map to her waiting heart. Her smile was the sunrise after the rain. She healed his soul and erased the pain. With her by his side, the world felt so right. She turned his darkness into endless light. Hey boy, come on. He was a boy who wandered so far, chasing the light of a distant star. Through the pain he kept holding on, and now he's found where he belongs. In her arms he's no longer alone, the boy who finally found home. Oh, yeah, yeah. Roads were rough, but they led to her door. Now he's not afraid of the storms anymore. Her love was the answer he'd been searching for, a place to rest, a heart to explore.